Greetings, roadway trailblazers. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the thrill of the open road. We're excited to showcase a CARFAX one-owner 2017 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 40E with only 27,000 miles. This 41-foot Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Freightliner chassis, features the elegant 40E floor plan with 3 enormous slide-outs and 1.5 baths, sleeping up to 4 in refined comfort. Adorned in Fleetwood's stunning Midnight Mocha full-body paint package, this RV shimmers with sophistication, powered by a potent Cummins diesel engine. Join us for a captivating tour to uncover every luxurious detail of this exceptional coach. Let's begin with the exterior, where the 2017 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 40E radiates timeless elegance. The Midnight Mocha graphics package bathes this coach in rich, sophisticated tones, ensuring it shines at every campground or scenic overlook. Stretching 41 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride. Powered by a Cummins ISL9 diesel engine, it produces 380 horsepower and 1,150 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for seamless performance. Updated 2023 Continental tires ensure reliability and style, making this RV ready for countless journeys. The exterior is packed with premium features to elevate your camping experience. Full pass-through basement storage compartments with a slide-out tray offer ample space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, speakers, and stereo creates a vibrant setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends. A power patio awning, power door awning, slide toppers, and window awning package craft a shaded, luxurious oasis at any campsite. Power Gear 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor make navigation effortless. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch adds versatility for towing. Powering your travels is effortless with this RV's top-tier systems. An Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator on a slide-out service tray with only 187 hours and auto-gen start delivers reliable power for off-grid escapes. A 50-amp service with an extension cord on a power reel, paired with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects, ensures efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps keep you comfortable year-round, while a Dirt Devil central vacuum system adds convenience. These systems make this Discovery LXE a versatile choice for upscale adventures. Step inside and the 40E floor plan unfolds as an elegant retreat, perfect for intimate getaways. 3 enormous slide-outs create a spacious interior that sleeps up to 4, ideal for couples or small groups seeking refined comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom and a large pull-out sleeper sofa in the front living room area. The front living area is a cozy haven, with a large pull-out sleeper sofa, a Euro recliner, and a 50-inch TV on a TV lift, perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. The warm cabinetry and durable finishes create a luxurious, home-like ambiance. The full kitchen is a culinary masterpiece designed for seamless meal preparation. It boasts a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven, a dishwasher option, and pantry storage for all your cooking needs. The nearby space ensures comfortable dining or planning adventures. The 1.5 bath setup is exceptional, with a private half bathroom featuring a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan, and a full-width rear bathroom with a large shower enclosure, glass doors, skylight, huge sink and vanity, toilet, and power vent fan. A stackable washer and dryer adds convenience. A stackable washer and dryer adds convenience for extended trips or full-time living. The rear master bedroom is a serene oasis, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, double wardrobe closets, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, luxurious vibe. The king bed and pull-out sleeper sofa provide comfortable sleeping for up to 4, ideal for intimate escapes or small group adventures. Let's spotlight what makes this RV extraordinary. The 40E floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, offers a luxurious interior for 4. The Cummins ISL9 engine and Freightliner chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid adventures. Premium features like the dishwasher option, central vacuum system, and Midnight Mocha paint package add elegance, while the washer/dryer and pantry storage boost practicality. Picture yourself cruising in this 2017 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 40E, exploring coastal highways, mountain retreats, or quiet campgrounds with your loved ones. Imagine preparing gourmet meals in the upscale kitchen, lounging by the 50-inch TV, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends home-like luxury with the freedom of the open road, and its Midnight Mocha exterior ensures you arrive in style. With only 27,000 miles, every journey will create lasting memories. Let's dive deeper into why this Discovery LXE is a standout choice. Fleetwood's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, spacious layout, and thoughtful features like the dishwasher and power awnings. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the spacious bathrooms to the stackable washer-dryer, this RV is built for luxury and convenience. let's revisit the exterior's brilliance. The Midnight Mocha paint package enhances curb appeal and protects the RV for years of travel. The full pass-through storage with a slide-out tray makes organization effortless, while the exterior entertainment center adds fun to any campsite. The power awnings and hydraulic leveling jacks elevate both style and functionality, making this RV a head-turner. Back inside, the living area's charm deserves another look. The pull-out sleeper sofa and Euro recliner create a perfect spot for relaxing or entertaining guests. The 50-inch TV on a TV lift adds entertainment, while the spacious layout enhances the luxurious feel. This layout balances practicality and comfort, making every trip a delight. Why choose this Discovery LXE? Its blend of luxury and versatility is unmatched, with features like the dishwasher, central vacuum system, and spacious interior that make life on the road effortless. The 40E floor plan offers ample space for 4, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2017 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 40E is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed diesel pusher with low mileage. Reach out at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this luxurious walk-around of the 2017 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 40E. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and premium features, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2017 Discovery LXE 40E. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you explore the road in elegance.